When was the last time you reset your gut? Not sure how? Don't worry, I'll show you. Start your day right with a super simple 5-minute morning routine that helps reset your gut and boost your energy for a feel-good morning. These small habits make a big difference in your digestion and overall wellness. Gawin mo to every morning for a healthier gut. First things first, drink a glass of warm water or Sayu. Sayu is a Japanese practice that helps rehydrate your body after sleep. Just boil water for about 10 minutes, then let it cool for a bit, then you can drink it. Tulong ito to wake up your stomach and gently kickstart digestion. Super easy and relaxing. Now that you're hydrated, nourish your gut with Postbiotic drink. Postbiotic drinks are great for gut health because they're packed with good stuff from fermentation. Some options include kefir, a creamy yogurt-like drink, and kombucha, a fizzy tangy tea. Miso soup is another great choice. Gawa ito sa fermented soybeans at maganda sa digestion. Even some fermented teas like fue have gut-friendly benefits. It helps balance your microbiome, improve digestion, and give you a natural energy boost. Simple but effective. Next, take a minute to do some gentle stretching or deep breathing. Nakakatulong to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which improves digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients better. Kahit simpleng stretches or a few deep breaths lang, it can reduce stress and get your gut working better. Lastly, let's talk breakfast. Choose gut-friendly foods like oatmeal, sourdough toast, or brown rice paired with protein-rich options like eggs, yogurt, tofu, or salmon. Hindi ka gutom o nagmamadali sa umaga, go for a smoothie like spinach, banana, apple, nuts, and chia seeds. Starting your day right with the right food fuels your body and keeps your gut happy. Just 5 minutes of this morning routine can make a huge difference in how you feel. More energy, more digestion, and overall well-being. Try it and make it a habit. Your gut will definitely thank you. Cheers to a great start sa araw mo. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also comment below with your thoughts. So for more health information, visit our website at getbetter.ph.